Today we're making no fluff squishy. First you need clear tape, scissors, cut a long piece of tape, and then stick it together. And then fold it so you have 3 squares. You can't see it very well, but it's in 4 pieces. Now make it into a cube like this. And then now you tape it. Now you get another long piece of tape. And then fold again. It should look like this. And then you tape it. And then attach that to the bottom or wherever it's open. And then add any slime. I'm adding underactivated slime. Now we're gonna add some water slime, but you can choose any slime of your choice. Now we're gonna do the same thing I was doing the last couple of times. And now you tape it on. One more time because I have a little space here. Now we're all done. It's optional, but you can add a drawing or a face. We're gonna add a face.